Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the angle closure glaucoma, we have one thing called as absolute glaucoma. What is this absolute glaucoma? It is a painful blind eye. In absolute glaucoma, the eye becomes stony hard completely, and there will be and what how are you going to treat this absolute glaucoma? For this, we should decrease the intraocular pressure. This intraocular pressure can be decreased by using cyclophotocoagulation. With the help of cyclophotocoagulation, we can decrease the intraocular pressure. So this is absolute glaucoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.